numbers is not only for mathematics. We are going to deal numbers for all the subject areas, just like science, TLE, and economics. Okay, science, since we are going to discuss about distance, and numbers, we are going to use numbers for computing the distance, and for economics, we can use numbers, or we're going to use numbers for computing the demand and supply. And for TLE, we can use, because we're going to cook food and it needs measuring, and we use numbers for that particular subjects. Okay, and all that numbers are called real numbers. This time we're going to discuss about real numbers. Okay, real numbers. Okay, for us to understand more about real numbers, we're going to discuss about this one. Okay, we have here real numbers. Okay, real numbers. There are some classification of real numbers. Okay, the first one, we have natural numbers. The second one, the whole numbers. We have the integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Okay, for us to understand more about all these words, okay, we are going to discuss this one by one. Okay, first is about natural numbers. Natural numbers are counting numbers from 1 up to infinity. For example, okay, we have here, okay, natural numbers is denoted by letter N. And we have noticed here, we have 1 up to positive infinity. Okay, the second one is about whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers are counting numbers from 0 to infinity. As you have noticed, okay, we have here example. Okay, it is denoted by letter W, in which it is just only a whole numbers plus 0, because 0 is not included for a natural number. So, whole number is from 0 up to positive infinity. Okay, the third one is about integers. Integers are just a positive and negative numbers plus 0, but fractions is not included. Okay, we have here example. We have, okay, these are examples of positive and negative number plus 0. Okay, from a negative 1 up to negative infinity, then 0 up to positive infinity. These are integers. Okay, next is about rational numbers. Okay, integer, since fraction is not included for an integer, so fractions here is for rational numbers. Okay, integers, fractions terminating and repeating decimals. Example. Okay, we have here example of, okay, the first one is about integers. Okay, these are examples of integers. Next, we have for terminating decimals. Okay, terminating, example is fraction. Okay, 1/4. 1/4, if you're going to convert 1/4 into decimal, it is 0.5. Okay, it is only 0.5. Okay, next is about a repeating decimal. Repeating, example for repeating decimal is 1/7. If you're going to convert 1/7, it is equal to 0.142857. And 142,857 is being repeated. That's why it is called as repeating decimal. Okay, another example is 0.33. 0.333, wherein 3 is being repeated for that decimal. Okay, but there are some special numbers which are not included as rational numbers, and these are called as irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as A over B. And another classification for irrational numbers are, these are numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Example. Okay, these are also decimals that go on forever without repeating patterns. Okay, so we have here example. Okay, example for irrational numbers are, okay, pi, we have square root of 2, square root of 3, and square root of 5, or any radicals included are considered as irrational numbers. Okay, all these numbers are called as real numbers. Okay, these are all the overview for real numbers. All these terms are called real numbers. We have here natural numbers. Okay, this oblique what do you call this one? Oblong is for natural numbers. Okay, we have here the violet one. This includes 1 up to positive infinity. Then we have the second one is all for whole numbers. Okay, as you have noted, it is just only a natural number plus 0. Then we have here the integers. Integers, it includes the natural number, the whole numbers, plus the negative numbers. Next is about integers. Okay, integers are just only natural numbers, whole numbers, and the negative numbers. And next is about rational numbers. So rational numbers is just only natural number, whole numbers, integers, plus, okay, those numbers, fractions. Fractional number which are numbers which has the repeating patterns, just like 1/2, 1/4, and so many others. And numbers which are not included, numbers which are not rational is considered as irrational numbers. But all these numbers are called as real numbers. That's why we can classify real numbers as all of these numbers. And that is all. Thank you.